Doodle Buddies with Nosh. You know, for the longest time I've wanted to make these orbs, and I'm so glad I'm making them right now. So what I've used is these embroidery hoops. I've used 3 of these embroidery hoops, the single ones, and for 2 of them I've removed the screw which comes with. So what I'm doing right now is adjusting it in a way where it sits snug. The first position that I got was not snug enough, so I've tried it the other way, like I'm doing right now. And I'm just going to kind of twist it and make sure that it sits tightly, snug. And once I've done that, I'll be applying some glue at the base. That's where I'll be applying the glue. I'm just using your white glue, which is the wood glue, PVA glue. You can use that as well. And I'll also be applying some of the hot glue as well. Once I've done that and I feel like it's snug enough, then I'm going to put the third ring across sideways. I feel like I'm just gently going to wiggle it so that it comes and sits in the center. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of, gently wiggling it so that it kind of reaches. And once it's there, I can actually use the screw to fasten it.
To paint it.
And once that's done, then the third step would start, which is to spray paint it. I've given it 2 coats of spray paint and given a very distressed look, not a very polished one, and I'm quite happy with how it's turned out. I hope you liked it. Very simple project, but it looks stunning sitting on the mantle. So do try it and let me know how you found it. Thank you, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.